Assalamualaikum. My name is Taqi Nur Rashid Khan. The new year will be 2026. I hope everyone will be fun. I love my grandmother, I love my grandfather, I love my father, and I love my mother. I love everyone. This country, I love my all family. Then I love my family so much. Then I will be happy to New Year. 2026 is back. I am happy and smile. I love the New Year 2026. Everyone is happy on 2026. Nobody is sad. Everyone is happy and Daddy, আমি না বললাম? Pray.